In this video, I'm going to share with you a basic turmeric latte recipe and a few adaptations that you can easily make to fit your lifestyle and body type better. Hi everyone, welcome back to Dawn for Life. Turmeric latte and golden milk, as some call it, seems to be the latest health fad. But did you know that it has been an Ayurvedic staple for centuries? So let's get to making a basic turmeric latte. Turn on the heat, add in a cup of almond milk, approximately a teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can also use fresh turmeric, but you would need a blender to blend them up. A dash of ginger powder or two, a pinch of cinnamon, and just give it a stir. We just want it to be hot but not boiling hot. Super easy to make a nice cup of turmeric latte. I really like them just plain like this, but if you're a person who feels hot easily and you're pretty hot-tempered, add a little bit of maple syrup, about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon, and it will help you balance out your body heat. Also, if you are trying to lose weight, you are more of a kapha constitution, you can add more spices. Add generously black pepper, cinnamon, and ginger powder, and that would help you feel good about yourself.